So the next thing we're going to learn about is some color theory, and we're just going to kind of touch on it today. But color theory is basically, or color is an element of art, and color theory is how those colors work together. So what you have here is a basic color wheel. You're going to have a copy of this color handout at each desk. And then you're also going to get this black and white that you're going to fill in using colored pencils. And then on the back, there's also a warm colors and cool colors section. So let me just kind of touch on what we have here. There are primary colors, which are yellow, blue, and red. All of the other colors on the color wheel can be mixed by using those three colors. You cannot mix any other colors together to make yellow or blue or red, which is why they're called primary or first colors. Secondary colors are orange, violet, and green. They are made by mixing two primary colors together to get them. So yellow and red make orange, blue and red make violet, blue and yellow make green. Now, I'm sorry, let me skip to the bottom. There are also colors called intermediate, and intermediate are these. These colors that fall between a primary and secondary color are called intermediate, also called tertiary, which means 3. So you've got primary, which means 1, secondary, which means 2, and tertiary, which means 3. Tertiary colors are mixed by putting together the primary and secondary color next to each other. So you've got red and orange make red-orange. Red and violet make red-violet. Whenever the name is written, the primary color always comes first, the secondary color comes second. Now, within this wheel, there's also some different combinations that you need to be aware of. There are lots of different color schemes, and like it says right here, every time I use color, I'm creating a color scheme. And a color scheme is different colors that are used together, and a lot of times they have an organized, logical way that they're put together. For instance, warm colors, or a warm color scheme, are yellow and all the colors with red and orange tones. So here through here are all considered warm colors. Cool colors are violet and all the colors with blue and green tones. So all the way through here are cool colors. Complementary colors are colors that are across each other on the color wheel. So the complementary color of violet or of yellow is violet. The complementary color of red is green. So you see the combinations here. Analogous colors are colors that are right next to each other on the color wheel. So yellow, yellow-green, and green are analogous colors. Blue-violet, violet, and red-violet are analogous colors. They're colors that are right next to each other. They're usually paired in put together in threes. Rainbow colors are usually in color order. So it starts from one side and goes all the way through the complete color wheel. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to use the colored pencils that are up on the supply table, and I want you to then take your handout here and color it in using the table page as a guide. Pay close attention to warm and cool colors because our shoe project is going to be using those colors, which is why when you're done with the front, I want you to flip over to the back, and I want you to demonstrate your understanding of warm and cool colors by coloring these sections accordingly. Here's a brief example to give you kind of an idea. So that is what you're doing today, and then tomorrow we will be applying this to our shoes.